Welcome to a demonstration of a highly requested and powerful feature, conditional content. This allows you to show or hide entire sections of your document based on a field value or custom logic defined in Salesforce, ensuring your documents are always contextually relevant. Our goal is to create a special terms section that only appears on documents related to new customers. Navigate back to your existing document template and click New Section. Set the type of the section to Table, Dynamic. In the SOQL query field for this section, we will write a query that targets the current opportunity record, but filters it based on the type field. In the HTML content editor, paste the specific special terms and conditions that should only apply to new customers. Use bold text or a different background color to make this section clearly visible. The key to conditional content is the SOQL query. If the query returns 1 or more records, the section will render. If the query returns 0 records, the section will be hidden. Save the template and let's test this powerful logic live. Navigate to a test opportunity record where the type field is currently set to New Customer. Go to the Order Form tab where your DRTE component is deployed. As the document loads, you will clearly see the Special Terms section rendered below the main content. The condition was met. Now, let's edit the opportunity record and change the type field to Existing Customer. Save the record and immediately reload the Order Form tab. As the document regenerates, you will notice the Special Terms section is no longer rendered in the order form. The SOQL condition failed to return a record, so the content is hidden. Change the type back to New Customer one more time. Reload the Order Form tab. And there it is. The special terms are visible once again.